Hi, I'm Ditzy in the Dust, and you're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. If you're interested, check out the rest of the video.
So welcome at the Jimny Drive 4x4 Academy.
At the age of 19, I decided it was time to properly learn how to drive off-road. And not just driving on dirt roads, but actually understanding what a 4x4 can do, and how to use it properly, and how to handle difficult terrain safely. And honestly, I didn't realize how much I still had to learn. So I headed to the Wildt 4x4 Nature Park and Resort to do a proper 4x4 course with Ryno from Jimny Drive. And the vehicle for the day was the Jimny Suzuki 5-door. Now, before this course, I thought I understood off-roading pretty well. I mean, how hard can it be? My dad gets it right. Turns out, it's a bit harder than I thought. The Jimny is one of those vehicles people either underestimate completely or absolutely love it. It's small, it's lightweight, simple, and honestly looks tiny compared to some of the bigger 4x4s out there. But that's also what makes it so interesting. Because instead of relying on power, you have to rely on technique. And that is exactly what this course focused on. Things like wheel placement, throttle control, picking the right line, understanding traction, and learning how to actually work with the vehicle instead of fighting it.
It's hotter than the blacktop in July, sweating like a sinner in a church, and I just wanna get out with my crew.
This on the accelerator. I can see already you're a driver that does that.
Got a couple 40s full of hops and fun, looking for a good time, gotta live it up, leave behind.
One of the first things I learned was that slow driving is actually one of the most important parts of off-roading. Before this, if I saw an obstacle, my instinct was basically just to commit and hope for the best and that I don't hear any noises or bumps. But here, everything was controlled. Slow input, smooth steering, careful throttle, and honestly, the slower I drove, the more capable the Jimny felt. Another thing that completely changed for me was understanding low range properly. Before this, I knew it existed, but I didn't fully understand when or why to use it. But once we started doing technical obstacles, steep descents, it all started making sense. Low range gives you more control, more torque, and allows the vehicle to crawl over obstacles safely without stressing the clutch or the brakes. And going downhill without touching the brakes much at all, that felt interesting and wrong at first, but once you trust the system, it actually feels incredibly controlled. I just finished my 4x4 course with Ryno from Jimny Drive, and I must say it was really an interesting experience. I mean, this car surprised me quite well with its capability, and I mean, it's stock standard. Only thing that I changed, I believe, is the wheels. Rest of it is everything out of the box, and I learned a lot. And the puzzle did fall together in the end. So Ryno, hashtag where to next for me.
Where to next is a Jimny Drive level 2 4x4 course.
Okay.
And then after that, we do a Jimny specialized 4x4 recovery course.
Okay. Well, I must say, the bug bit me. I'm gonna get myself one, hopefully in the next year, before the next Jimny gathering. Then I'm gonna be there just as a holiday, not as media. So hopefully I'll be able to do that, because I wanted one when I came here this morning. Now I definitely want one, because they're very nice.
We just need to get people in to understand a Jimny.
Yeah.
And that big smile.
Yeah, I was smiling like the whole time.
And we heard the yay.
Yeah.
But once again,
yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, thank you for teaching me.
Pleasure.
I'm Marli. Please follow, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for more content like this.